Hello guys, good morning. Oh, Daddy say good morning. Say good morning. Good morning guys. Today is Monday. I don't know what day it is, but when I'm uploading the video, I think I'll check the calendar and know the day. So good morning guys, how you doing? Hope you guys slept well, slept like a baby princess, you are like a king. And hope you guys said your prayer. I'm just waking up, so I'm here to say my prayer. I don't know if this video I'll be adding everything together. I don't think it's possible. Maybe I'll be just uploading them one by one. So welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much and welcome. Today, I don't know what I'm doing today. Basically, I might make stew today, but I have a lecture this morning, like 4 p.m. in Nigerian time, which is like 10 a.m. Yeah. So this is currently like 7. My stuff is off. So I think it's currently like 7:29 or 7:30 a.m. So I want to get up, say a little bit of my prayer, then go brush my teeth, get the kids ready, brush their teeth, then I give them breakfast. Once they have eaten breakfast, they are good to go. Then I wait, maybe blend tomato and let it dry. Then wait for my tutor to call me. I miss my husband so much. It's not easy. I miss him so much. So we got married. We've not been apart for just 1 week like this. No straight. I don't think so. Because if he goes, he tries to come back. But for him to go 1 week without coming back, yeah. So this is the first time being apart for this long, for 1 week. But I miss him so much, and he's there missing African food. We were talking one time, was like, I wish you guys are close, you get me food. I was like, I'll just prepare one good seafood and do pantelia before. So he's missing his wife's food. Wife, they cook now. And they cook. And they So he's missing my food, and he's there missing African. You know, there, American, they eat American food as whatever they are there. So I think after this stew, tomorrow, since it's coming back on Wednesday, tomorrow morning I'll try to make egusi soup. It's egusi soup and keep two in the fridge. So yeah. What else? What else? Am I missing anything? Nothing, but I'm so thankful this morning. Like, thankful for God that we're able to see each passing day. It's not easy waking up every day, being unharmed, without no scratch on your body, without no attack when sleeping. It can only be God. So I want to thank God for making it possible for us to wake up each passing day this morning. I always glorified. Say hi, Papa. Say hello. Say hello to them. So I'm so grateful to God and everything. So get right into my day. Let me go say my prayer and just get going. Because today is gonna be a long day. Your baby girl is still gonna be exhausted, but no matter what, I got this. I'm strong. It's something I'm used to. I can't complain, because if I complain, nobody will do it for me. So it's something I'm used to. I got to do it. They're my children, and this is my life. So yeah. All right, I'll see you guys later. I don't so much, just a little bit. This is the front door. It didn't really fall so much. Yeah, this is the tea. So, yeah, pick me up. Oops. Nigeria Milo. So this is what they drink as tea. Russia inauguration. I'm watching. See who is awake. Why are you crying, Papa? Did you sleep well? Did you sleep well, Papa? Huh? Did you sleep well? Why are you crying? You just woke up. You're a big boy. You don't have to cry. When you wake up, you say, Mama, where are you? I'm awake. Okay? I love you. Mama loves you. Leave that thing alone. Go and give my son breakfast. He woke up by after that. This past 9. I think it's 9:30 or so. So he woke up very late. Let me go give him breakfast. It's almost time for my study. I told him my study is by 10 a.m. Our Nigerian time 4 p.m. because my tutor is from Nigeria. So yeah, let me go downstairs and get things done and prepare for my lecture. Fresh, ready for the day. Baba say, let's go. So let's go. Let's go. Types of neurotic defects. 1. Spinal bifida, a condition where the spine does not close properly. Then let us pray. Your prophet Jeremiah walked the streets of Jerusalem and blessed its inhabitants with the Hebrew words, Baruch HaGever Asher Yiftach BaHashem. Blessed is the one who trusts in God. Thousands of years later, this great nation which adopted these words as its motto, in God we trust, stands at a moment. Take and move your hand. Opportunity for the United States is behind it. The principles President Trump has laid out for our approach to the Middle East and foreign policy in general are fourfold and 1. So guys, I'm done with washing the dishes and cleaning the area. So we are going upstairs. You can hear my children's voice. See, my hair is in a mess. I'm tired. I need to go shower. Like, I'm so tired. I want to go up to go shower them now. After that, then brush their teeth, take my shower, and we're good to go. My baby girl is so tired. Like today has been exhausting, but I thank God. I thank God. I thank God. I thank God. So we can go up and go shower. Bath time. Bath time. He wants to turn off the lights. Alright guys, I'll talk to you guys later when I'm done with them. Or when I'm done with them and done with me. But I'll talk to you guys later. It's touching me, okay? I don't understand, like, how will a child wake up in the morning and play from morning till night without taking a nap? Like your junior brother Zion takes a nap every blessed day. But his brother David, this is will never take a nap. Like, who does that? Please, you guys have children or a child like that, because I don't understand. Let me know what to do. Like, I just don't understand. And if he does not sleep, take a nap, I will not take a nap. The same thing with me. Once I wake up, because I sleep late and they wake me up on time, and I have to wake up on time around 7 after 7 to make sure they eat by 8 or 8:30. But if it's that he takes a nap while his brother is taking a nap, I'll be able to see. Sometimes I force him, he will sleep. Sometimes you force him, he will not. He will start crying and start kicking. I'll just give up and just let him be. Like, I'm tired. Please come to my aid. If you guys know anything that will help out, please. I'm open. My ears are open. What is it? What is it? The package is here. Yeah, I checked it and they said it was really bad. It was left at the front door, so I went there to where exactly where they said it was. So, I ordered something. Sometimes I'm too lazy. Not that I'm too lazy, because carrying my children to the store to go buy something, especially makeup store, they'll start scratching everything. So sometimes I do most of the things online. So this is just eyeliner. I hope it's black. Yeah, black under eye. I use fast. It's not for play. It's not for play. It's something serious. See the packaging. If so, you see the hair nets. So we're about to rock it. Papa is hair nets. Hair sleeping cap. I keep saying hair nets. This one nets. This sleeping cap. So guys, we're on the bed. I love this hair net so much. The color is wow. So we're on the bed. See, baby boy. This boy, yeah, mama's boy. My handbag. Guys, go and get this light. If you've not gotten this light, you're missing. This light is Supek. It is Supek. Go and get it. Like, seriously, go and get it. If not, you're missing a lot. You're missing a lot. Like, there's no light on. It's just the light that clipped to my phone that is making it bright like this. No light is on, so go get it. Go get it. There's not too much to say. So I'm just gonna play movie. I was watching movie on the iPad. I'll play it and be watching. I'll pray this boy fall asleep and also be editing. Like I said before, but yeah. Papa say good night. Good night.